So, we are actually planning a hike to Durga Pahar with my companion Pradeep. And we actually don't know how to the actual way to the top, so we are just trying our best to figure out a proper route. Guys, looks like the trek is gonna be a little bit hard. It's not that distant, but as you can see behind me, it's fully a rocky terrain and uh, I don't know. I have not never done a trek like this. Like sorry, a hike like this. Let's see. Guys, we are just like climbed like maybe like 5 or 10 meters, but uh, the view from here is really awesome. I can't even imagine how awesome the view would be from the top. Let's see if we can make it to the top. See you guys there. Bye. So guys, we are done with our first stop here, and we just had a small snack, had some water and everything. We just took a 5 minute break. So whenever you plan for a hike, always be prepared. Have a lot of water. Like bring a lot of water. Bring a lot of snacks, snacks with high energy snacks like peanut bars or chocolate bars or whatever will give more energy, because that's required, because the hiking is like an energetic activity. So be prepared. So we're gonna continue with our hike. So guys, I've actually reached somewhat kind of the top of the mountain. I think there is a little bit more stretch left. Let me just take a few minutes of rest, and then I'll see whether I can climb the other part. I think that's a bit difficult part, as informed by my senior. That once you reach the top of the mountain, there's a few more like rocky terrain upstairs, but like the whole mountain is completely rocky, but still, as per uh, the information which I got, and that portion is a bit more challenging also. Not bragging, but the last few stretches of this climb now, it was a bit challenging. I Deep in my mind, I just thought for a few seconds, should I bail or should I just climb back? But it was fun, and the view from up here is like so awesome. See, I feel like I'm on top of the world. Let me just give you a clear cut view from here. Hi friends, I just had my brief rest and I had some snacks, drank some water, took a lot of photos. That's one of the major things which I came here for. So got some really good photos. Now let me just uh, let me just go and see if I can climb that thing towards the whole top. Let me see. If it's too tough, I might bail. You can't blame me because see how far top I have come. Like, let me see if I can climb to the top, I'll do it. But if it's too much risky, I'll just bail. As my friend said, safety is first. Like, wherever you go, whatever hiking or trekking you do, safety should be the first priority. Even if how much interesting that thing should be, you should be concerned about your safety. And here I'm all alone right now, so let me see. Hope I could do that, so you guys could also see. Okay, bye this guys. This is the thing I have to climb to finish this whole hike. Let me see if I can find a proper pathway towards the top. One thing I forgot to mention, like whenever you do such kind of hikes or anything now in some unknown locations, always carry a stick. Try to find a stick from you can get it from nearby or somewhere. Just try to find a stick because it will be beneficial. You won't know what kind of reptiles, snakes might be in your path, so it's always safe to keep a stick ready in hand so that you can avoid the dangers. Seems like I found a small pathway. Let me just see if it goes up to the top. There is a clear way to go up here and I'm using it. It's oh something just scared me. I thought it was some animal or something. On the way up, we actually spotted two jackals. I don't think they are that dangerous, but still, one can never know. Yeah, I'm almost reaching the top. Oh my god. Woo! So guys, I finally made it to the top of Durga Pahad. So the view from here is freaking awesome. See guys. The last few stretch I thought it might be difficult, but comparatively it was kind of like the easiest one because there was a clear way to come up here. The mid portion where before my last stop, the few stretches of climbing, like it was around 10 or 15 or 20 meters climb. That was the most difficult part because there was no clear pathway, and climbing was also quite challenging, but this and all of it was worth it. The view from here is freaking awesome. Whenever we reach a really highly elevated place, the wind is so awesome. Like I could stay here for a long time, enjoy the whole wind. Since I'm a bit sweating and there is a really good amount of wind here, I'm feeling really cool. It's the beginning of summer, so it's beginning to get a little bit hot, but not that hot. But if I stay here for like an hour, I would start feeling really hot due to the sun. It's directly gazing upon me, and you can see. So let's stay up here for a few minutes, click some pictures, take some rest, and then we'll begin the descent, which is one of the challenging parts of a hike. Let's see. So guys, I think I'm about done here at the top. Took a lot of pictures, enjoyed the view a lot. Now I'm actually going to take my things and just start descending down the hill. Just one last video from the top. And all of you out there who are actually planning to come here for a hike, I would say it's worth it. Come in groups, be careful, and pack whatever gear you want, like all the things that is required, enough snacks, water and everything. And be sure to have a good boots, because you need a good grip. Okay, now I'm going to start descending. See ya. So guys, I have actually nearly descended maybe around the difficult part of the trek of the hike. Hike. I have nearly completed the difficult part of the descent hike. See, it's awesome, right? Yeah, I'm feeling really awesome because I've never done such a hike in such a hard terrain. So I just stopped here for a bit of taking a 5-minute break. Then I'll be descending and joining my my friend downhill. Still the view is really good.